Okay, I'm back. So now I poured everything in this pot, mixed it all up, and scooped out my first layer of meat and noodles. And so now I'm gonna add my cheese sauce, my cream cheese, you know, sour cream, mozzarella sauce on top. So that goes in the middle. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna spread it around. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your spoon and just spread it around as much as you can. And again, you can use whatever's to your liking. If you want light cream cheese, fat-free cream cheese, light sour cream, fat-free sour cream, knock yourself out. If you want to use different types of cheeses, low fat or whatever, knock yourself out. If you want to use turkey meat, if you don't eat ground beef, knock yourself out. Also, what I also normally add to my lasagnas and baked ziti and sometimes spaghetti sauces, meat sauces, is pepperoni and Italian pork sausage. But again, this is for, and my hands are clean. I'm a germaphobe, so I wash my hands like 1,000 times when I'm cooking. Yeah, so if you don't like the ingredients that's on here, use what you want within the same family. But so this is what it looks like once the everything is spreaded. And then what you want to do is just add a little bit more cheese on the top. I like my stuff cheesy. I like it cheesy. This is mozzarella cheese. And then I got this Sargento's aged blend as well. I like mixed cheeses too. I have 2 bags of that, so I could sprinkle 1 bag on this. And I even have so much mix, like that mix is gonna fill up this big pan, but I did a small bowl for me and my son to eat. We have a microwave and a refrigerator in our hotel, so in our hotel room. So we don't have to eat out so much. And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour the rest of this mix on top. And you'll also see that everything, the noodles and everything is coated where you don't have to use a whole lot of sauce because you don't want it soupy. It's not spaghetti where you put the meat sauce, because I don't mix my spaghetti with my noodles. I do it separate and I scoop it out separate. Ooh. So that big old pan. I hope she don't be like, she only bought 1 pan. This is a huge pan. Normally I would have got one of those small deep roasters, but I said, you know what, why deal with that? I could just get 1 big huge pan and just make 1 big huge pan. This will feed a lot of people, I hope. because the other lady says she bringing 2 pans, but normally when people do those lasagna, they get those thin pans, you know, being that this is not technically lasagna. I never do my lasagna in those thin pans anyways. So y'all see the top of this right here? I spreaded it all. See how the noodles is all coated? So you don't need a whole lot of sauce. And then you're gonna sprinkle the rest of your cheese on here. And again, you can use whatever cheeses you like, but you must get mozzarella. That's the one cheese you do need. The other ones are optional. The other cheeses are definitely optional, but you need some mozzarella. I'll put the second bag of this cheese on here. What is this cheese mixed with? This has low moisture part skim mozzarella, aged fontina, aged parmesan, aged romano, aged medium Asiago natural cheese blend. So that's what the Sargento has in it. It has a number of cheeses. And I like different kinds of cheese. And then I'm gonna finish it off with my Tillamook medium cheddar cheese on the top. I guarantee you the other ladies is not gonna her baked ziti is not gonna be nowhere near this. She probably don't make hers with meat. Again, that's not technically the way you make baked ziti with meat, but I ghetto-fied it from the way the Italians make it. And we are done. So I hope if you're gonna make this, it was an easy step-by-step. Y'all know I don't edit. Only thing I could do is show you because I'm working this camera. I have the gimbal has been a godsend, although I'm still learning to work it. So I get better every time, but hopefully my, you know, cooking videos are easy for you to follow without me having to show you step by step. I can explain to you the step by step opposed to writing it on the screen. And because I need to get out of here, I'm not sure if I may just do a picture and y'all can look at it in my community tab. I guess that's how it comes up. You can go look on it in the community tab. I'll just do a picture showing y'all what it looks like once it's all cooked and done. So now I'm gonna put this in the oven on 400. Normally I would do like 350 because I'm not rushed for time, but I'm gonna put this on 400 because the only thing that really needs to settle is the eggs that's in the mix. Everything else is pretty much cooked. So I'm gonna leave this in the oven. I'm gonna cover it up with aluminum foil and put it in the oven, and I'm gonna go upstairs and shower, get dressed so me and my son could get out of here. So with that being said, thank y'all for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please leave your comments in the box below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And let me know what you think. And try my recipes. Peace.